Okay. Felix, do you think this is a vocal track?
Yes.
Welcome to the Production Music Live community. The Everything Bundle is your source of problem solvers and time savers when it comes to producing professional electronic music. The PML Everything Bundle is divided in different sections. The PML Academy with courses and artist masterclasses, and the PML Sound Boutique, containing state-of-the-art sample packs, sound packs by artists, presets and MIDIs, and Ableton project files. Let us give you a little tour starting with the course section.
Let's go!
Starting with the foundations, you will get to know Ableton Live inside out. From there, you can jump right into the start to finish section, where you will produce full songs alongside your tutors. In all start to finish courses, we will start with a blank Ableton project and go through each and every step of the production workflow. If you want to learn how to design your own sounds and synth patches to stand out from the crowd, there are full-length creative sound design courses for the most popular synths out there. And most importantly, we have our artist section, where you actually get to sit right next to professional releasing artists like Ben Böhmer or Jonas Saalbach, while they walk us through the production of one of their own tracks from start to finish, giving you massive amounts of tips and tricks. And basically, they're giving away all their best workflows and secrets. The PML preset packs cover Ableton stock instruments as well as the most popular and best sounding VST synths on the market. Every preset pack comes with its own set of MIDIs for instant results and faster tracking of your ideas. You can always match a MIDI clip with the preset it is supposed to go with, or get totally creative with them. Once you've found the sound you were looking for, you can tweak each part to perfectly match your production. This is fast, intuitive, and always sounds professional right away. Let's move on and take a look at some of PML's sample packs. There's a massive collection of samples, over 12,000 single sounds and loops for almost every style of electronic music. The PML flagship series D Premium is your go-to collection when you start a new track. The most recent edition, D Premium Volume 6, brings you all the deep and club-ready kicks you need, but also delivers organically recorded head and percussion loops right into your DAW. All packs are of course structured in loops and one-shots, including very intuitive subfolders for perfect accessibility. Inside these folders, you can browse by the genre you're looking for.
Like, this is fun.
Everybody else can stay away.
To make it easier for you to find exactly what you're looking for, we have divided all sample packs into 3 categories. PML Originals,
Forget me. Look in the mirror.
We took our time, didn't give it up. When did it get so serious?
Don't let me be alone.
I just wanna feel right. I just wanna feel right.
PML Community Packs, and PML Artist Corporations. Let's check out one of our favorite templates by Radicon artist Dahu with his song Decades. What exactly is a PML Ableton project file and what can you use it for? Every PML project file is a fully arranged track with all samples and sounds you hear in the song. This is not printed audio, but fully editable for the most part. Everything can be used, edited, changed, or copied into another project, and you can adjust all parameters to fit into any of your own tracks. Simply take out the parts you like and make them your own. You can reverse engineer the whole production process and learn new tricks inside a professionally produced, mixed, and mastered track. In these Ableton project folders, you will find the equivalent of around 10 complete albums. We have over 90 files organized into different categories and musical genres, so you can find what you're looking for really fast. The Everything Bundle is your source of problem solvers and time savers when it comes to producing professional electronic music. Get inspired and produce better sounding tracks now. productionmusiclife.com